Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating intersection of science and mathematics that could revolutionize women's health: delaying menopause. Recent research suggests that by implanting a woman's own previously harvested ovarian tissue back into her body, menopause could be delayed, perhaps indefinitely. This groundbreaking technique, originally developed to restore fertility in cancer patients, is now being explored as a way to delay menopause and its associated health issues. Join us as we explore the science behind this innovative approach and its potential implications for women's health. According to recent researches, a mathematical modeling is being used to explore the possibility of delaying menopause by implanting a woman's own previously harvested ovarian tissue back into her body. The technique, pioneered for cancer patients, has been successful in restoring fertility and is now being considered for healthy women to delay menopause and its negative effects on health. The interdisciplinary work involves a collaboration between mathematicians, ovarian biologists, and physicians. A mathematical model of how ovaries age, based on data from primordial follicle counts inside ovaries, is being used to address questions about the procedure's effectiveness, optimization, and potential outcomes. According to the study, the younger a woman is when the tissue is preserved, the longer her menopause would be delayed. A calculator has been developed to estimate how many years a woman's menopause would be delayed based on key data points. The study suggests that in theory, menopause can even be eliminated in some cases if ovarian tissue is frozen under the age of 30. The article emphasizes the role of mathematics in understanding ovarian aging and the potential of freezing ovarian tissue for delaying menopause. Mathematical modeling allows predictions to be made about how ovaries will behave in different women under different circumstances, guiding the development of clinical interventions. As we wrap up, it's clear that the intersection of mathematics and medicine is opening up new possibilities for women's health. The potential to delay menopause through ovarian tissue transplantation offers hope for a future where women can maintain their ovarian function and potentially avoid associated health risks. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates in science and health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.